In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways you can look at the solar charging you're getting on your Suunto Vertical Solar watch. You've got a few different options here. The first is that you can set it as a complication, and when you set it as a complication on your watch face, you really have two different variations that you can do at this point as of January 2025. You can see my watch face here. I'm going to go ahead and press the middle button to go into my settings, and then I'm going to go down to Customize, choose Customize, and we're going to go down to Complications. Now I'm going through this pretty quick. If you've never used the Suunto Vertical, I've done some slower videos in the past. I'm going to choose this very top complication, and one of the options you can do is Solar, and you can see that when I choose that, you go back, we've got this little icon in the middle that will show you what solar charging you're getting at any point in time. Let me see if I can make that do anything. See how it went to low? When you're outside, it'll basically show you, or anytime you're getting any light source, it'll show you what kind of charging you're getting. So that's the first way. The other way, in this complication is available on a few different watch faces. The best way to me is if you're wanting it on your watch face, you're going to want to choose a different watch face. So I'm going to go in again. We're going to do Customize. We're going to choose Watch Face. There's one watch face that you cannot delete. It's basically the default one from Suunto. It looks like this. We're going to choose this one, and we're going to do the exact same thing we did before. We're going to edit the complications. When you go down to this very bottom complication, again, one of your options is going to be solar harvesting. This one looks a whole lot better to me than what you saw before. Takes up a little more space, but this one gives you a historical view of it. So you can look and see over the last 3 hours how much solar charging have I been getting, and then you still have this little icon here that will fluctuate depending on how much solar charging you're currently getting. So that's a nice watch face. And again, you can adjust these colors if you want a different color. This is going to show a historical trend. The one we looked at before just shows your current status as far as solar charging. And then your last option is going to be, just like most other things on this watch, you can do the widget. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press the down button. We're going to go into widgets. You can customize these a few different ways. I'm going to do it pretty quick here. I'm going to go to widgets, and one of your widget options on this watch is solar harvesting. I've got it turned on. It's right there. When you go into the widget, you can kind of see the same thing we saw before. My current solar status is idle. It's not getting any kind of solar charging. And then if I go into the widget, I can see the same thing as what we saw on the second watch face that we did, which is the 3-hour trend for your solar harvesting. You'll notice this little down arrow. If I press down, it just shows you a 7-day view of how much solar harvesting you've been getting over the last 7 days. And that's it. So, like most things on the watch, you've got a complication you can put on your watch face. You have a couple different options, and then you've got a widget if you want to see more information. But those are your different ways to see the solar harvesting or solar charging on your Suunto Vertical Solar watch. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.